This short tutorial will show you how to upgrade a Longwatch VCC and LVE on the same machine. We assume that you've already downloaded the Longwatch installation bits and have moved and unzipped them on the VCC machine. When you're ready, we can get started. Step 1 is to stop all the Longwatch services using the shutdown button. Next, we're going to run LWBackup from Program Files 86 Longwatch SQL scripts. This will back up your configuration database. Next step is to launch the Longwatch VCC install program. Right mouse click on Longwatch Setup and run it as administrator. On the Longwatch video system screen, hit Next. On the Longwatch license agreement page, read the license, then select Accept and Next. On the installation option page, pick the second option if an LVE is running on this machine. Otherwise, pick option 1. On the destination location page, just hit Next. On the Install License Key page, pick Use Existing License Key and hit Next. On the Background Service Security Settings page, hit Next. You'll see the Longwatch Video Engine Setup page if you chose to upgrade an LVE. Confirm the settings and hit Next. Otherwise, you won't see this page. The upgrade will begin when you hit Next on the Start Installation page. During the upgrade, you will see the Database Found prompt. Make sure you select Yes to use the existing configuration database. If you select No, your configuration database will be reinitialized. The upgrade is now finished and the Longwatch services are started automatically. You should now check a few things to confirm that the upgrade was successful. The first thing I usually do is to pop open the Longwatch control panel to make sure all the services are running. The next thing I do is to run the ViewStation Lite client to make sure my cameras are working as they were before the upgrade. If you have additional LVEs to upgrade on this machine, you can shut down the services again and run the Longwatch Setup LVE executable to upgrade the additional LVEs. During the upgrade, just accept the defaults and pick the appropriate LVE on the LVE Setup page. You will need to run the LVE Setup for each LVE that needs to be upgraded. That's the end of the tutorial. Hopefully it helped. If you need additional help, contact support@ivcco.com to open a support ticket, and we'll get right back to you to set up a remote session. Thanks for watching.